Oz Group has recently completed the fabrication, transportation and installation of a replacement salt stacker boom for a valued client in the Pilbara region of Western Australia. Again, delivering highest quality fabrication services using its one-stop shop approach for the safe and efficient upgrade of a critical piece of client and industry infrastructure. The end-to-end solution, including dismantling of an existing salt stacker boom and the supply, fabrication, transport and installation of its replacement, including trusses, a drive tower and trestle. To complete the project, over 77 tonnes of steel were procured and fabricated at Oz Group's Kwinana facility and then transported over 1,500 kilometres to Dampier. On-site works commenced with the removal of the existing stacker infrastructure. Despite the challenges of inclement weather for the time of year, which meant we lost 8 days in the schedule to rain, this only resulted in 1 day's delay in the project completion. Oz Group's culture of continuous improvement and value innovation in our processes drive efficiencies for the business and its clients. After the removal of the existing infrastructure, we installed the A-frame drive shaft, followed by the installation of Module 3, which included the stair access. Modules 1 and 2 were then lifted into place in one single lift, followed by the installation of the stainless steel guarding and lighting. For the Dampier project, a focus on continuous improvement was evident. Structural integrity is important in a high-salt environment. In addition to this, precision plasma cutting was used for the profile cutting of around 200 truss pipes, which significantly reduced the number of hours required to complete the work.